Swagbucks does not have one guaranteed time when every user earns the most points, but the best results usually come from using the platform when the highest number of earning opportunities are available. By the end, you'll know how to find better earning opportunities on Swagbucks, and how to organize your time so you are not wasting effort. The best time to earn Swagbucks points depends on which activities you use most. If you complete surveys, check the survey section regularly because available surveys can change throughout the day. Survey availability depends on your profile, location, and the current offers available on Swagbucks. If you use shopping rewards, check offers before making purchases so you can see whether there are active promotions available. For users who complete daily tasks, building a routine can help you notice new activities when they appear. Open the Swagbucks app or website and check the earning sections instead of waiting for notifications alone. Notifications can help you find opportunities, but they may not show every available activity. Another useful strategy is comparing the time required for an activity with the points offered. A survey that takes longer than expected may not be the best use of your time compared with another available task. Focus on activities that fit your schedule and avoid spending extra time on low-value tasks. You should also keep your Swagbucks account information updated because your profile can affect which opportunities are available to you. If you use Swagbucks consistently, check the platform at different times and track which periods usually have better options for your account. There is no single earning schedule that works for every user, because Swagbucks opportunities change based on account details and available campaigns. The main points are simple. Check Swagbucks regularly, compare tasks before starting, and focus on activities that give you the best value for your time. Open Swagbucks today and review the available earning options on your account to find the schedule that works best for you. Subscribe for more Swagbucks guides, reward app tips, and earning strategy videos. And like the video if this helped you understand the best way to find points.